रिजल्ट के बाद देखिए जो कांग्रेस के सहयोगी दल हैं, समाजवादी पार्टी हो, उन्होंने सीट्स डिक्लेयर कर दिए 6, ना बातचीत हुई ना कुछ, 6 सीट्स डिक्लेयर कर दिए उन्होंने 10 बाइपोल सीट्स में से। आप कह रही है कि हमें रहने दीजिए, हाथ जोड़ लिया आम आदमी पार्टी ने, बोला हरियाणा जैसा नहीं होने देंगे हम दिल्ली में। महाराष्ट्र में भी ऐसी बातें कही जा रही है। तो कांग्रेस क्या है, परजीवी है, कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं पनौती है।
So, as we were just hearing the definition of parasite, who is a bigger parasite than Narendra Modi, who lived off LK Advani ji and Murli Manohar Joshi ji and threw them away after he had no use for them after climbing to the top. So he's the best example of the political parasite there has ever been in India. What you speak about is, let's start with Haryana. In Haryana, Congress was fighting. It was actually BJP which was defending itself, and Congress's vote share has risen by 11%. And the difference between Congress and BJP in vote share is just 0.8%. So to say that there has been some miracle in Haryana, it's just Narendra Modi trying to hide his embarrassment that a state where Modi ki guarantee could not get him 10 out of 10 seats. He's trying to hide that. He's trying to hide his embarrassment that despite his mutilating J&K into 3 parts and removing Article 370 and being the last, I mean, he was in a part of the PTP BJP government, if you remember, was the last government there. So another state has become BJP Mukt. It is to hide those things that today again he's like a parasite trying to live off Congress.
Right. आशुतोष कंपल्शन नहीं है। आशुतोष मिश्रा जी,
देखिए पहली बात तो आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर 2019 and 2024 when you are comparing them, you are forgetting that it was the rejection of Narendra Modi. In 2019, he might have used the Pulwama martyrs to ask for vote and get away with it. But in 2024, the people saw through him. All his Mangal Sutra khatre mein hai, Hindu khatre mein hai, didn't work. His misgovernance was very obvious.
Yeah, and which is why Rahul Gandhi is the Prime Minister today.
Yeah, he has got 240 seats and he is sitting with the support of Nitish Kumar and Naidu, 2 people for whom they have been at time and again abusing, and in fact for Nitish Kumar, Amit Shah had said that the gates are closed for him. But in Bihar also, just to form the government, they
वो तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, आशुतोष जी, अगर आप जो बोल रहे हैं नीतीश कुमार और नायडू अगर गाली भी दे रहे हैं तो भी साथ में है, तो वो तो ज्यादा बड़ा आर्ट है। गाली देके भी सब साथ में। यहाँ तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने बिना गाली दिए अनाउंस कर दिया। देखिए समाजवादी पार्टी ने बाइपोल्स के लिए सीट अनाउंस कर दिया। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन,
नहीं, मेरी ये समझ में नहीं आता। आशुतोष जी बहुत ही सीनियर और एरुडाइट जर्नलिस्ट हैं।
मैं इनसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं कि लास्ट टाइम अगर ये बता दें कि कांग्रेस ने, मोदी जी के पास मैंडेट नहीं है, चलिए मान लीजिए वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं होने चाहिए, मान लीजिए। आशुतोष जी, लास्ट टाइम कांग्रेस के पास 240 सीट्स कब थी? आप मुझे साल बता दीजिए।
ये बता दीजिए कि 400 अब की बार 400 पार कहने वाला प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब 240 पे आके गिरता है,
मैं मान रहा हूं
आप एक मान रहा हूं रिबिल्ड कर रहा है। Rahul Gandhi is Congress with his Bharat Jodo Yatra.
I started by saying I don't accept Modi as our prime minister. He doesn't have the mandate. I asked him a simple question. When was the last time Congress had 240 seats?
अच्छा आशुतोष जी, वन बाय वन देखिए आशुतोष जी, वन बाय वन आपने एक सवाल पूछा, उसका जवाब दिया उन्होंने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा, उसका जवाब दे दीजिए।
What do you say about a prime minister who says आपकी बार 400 बार comes to
he doesn't have the mandate
and then uses this Congress as an excuse to hide their own failure and their fear of Rahul Gandhi rebuilding Congress through Bharat Jodo Yatra. So they come up with these ridiculous questions which are not part of today's debate. They're not part of the younger generation, doesn't give a damn about that. They elect people.
No, the
what
younger generation
on
you are
their
saying did
today's
not vote in
performance, not
Haryana.
what had happened in the past.
The younger generation did not vote in Haryana. In Haryana also, BJP has been routed.
So as I told you, in Haryana, it was BJP which was unnecessary creating, had this inferiority complex and creating a complex. It was exit polls. If you start believing exit polls, then what happened in the Lok Sabha? Exactly, they gave
Exit.
everything
I'm
to
talking about
BJP.